Did you know fire isn't actually a thing? It's a process. It's the visible result of rapid oxidation, atoms releasing energy as light and heat. Here's something wild. Flames don't always burn orange. In zero gravity, fire forms perfect blue spheres instead of flickering. And deep inside stars, fire behaves more like plasma storms than anything we see on Earth. Another strange fact: fire can exist without flames. Smoldering combustion happens in peat bogs underground, burning silently for years. Some fires have lasted decades. And here's the kicker: fire is one of the few phenomena humans discovered before inventing language. It shaped our brains, our societies, and even our sleep cycles. If you love learning surprising science facts like these, make sure to hit follow, because the next one might blow your mind.